Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Art. Hope you're all well. My colours today, this one it's Papermill Pigment Duo Red Blue. And this is Pearl-X Pigment Pink Gold. This is this little Piggy TLP in Ore. Need to mix some more of that up. Got much left. Gorgeous gold. And this is Primary Elements Persimmon, however you say it, with Jo Sonja Yellow Orange tube paint added to it. This is TLP Grenache. Beautiful. Look at that luscious red. So lovely. This is TLP Lemon Sorbet. This is so pretty. Need to mix more of that up too. And this is Jo Sonja Yellow Orange tube paint. I also added just a little bit of iridescent medium to it. This is Atelier Red Gold with a little blob of Mont Marte Metallic Gold. This is Liquitex Iridescent White. And this is Atelier Quin Red Violet with a couple of blobs of Pebeo Copper, Metallic Copper. Now I'm going to add the base, which is all the bits that I've been collecting for a while, that I've been scraping off, all the waste I collect together, and I've just had to add a little bit of white to it, and I've got this quite nice dove grey colour. I think it's quite nice, and I'm going to use a white CA, Amsterdam Titanium White. Okay then guys, what I've decided for my giveaway, to say thank you to you, all you subscribers, I'm going to give away 2 prizes. The first name that I will draw, they will have a choice of either a print of number 95 or the actual original piece from 107, which is my most recent one. So they can, the first name drawn can choose which they prefer to have, and I will post it to them at no charge at all to them. And then the second name I draw out obviously will get either the print or the original, whichever the first name didn't choose, if that makes sense. At the end of the video I'll give more details. But that is what I'm going to give, is 2 prizes to you, because I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much.
Killing time, Friday night. Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far. Though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then. Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. Through it all, you're the one who understands. Fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't too much. Got a policy, didn't bring me luck, just the honesty. Now it's all on me if I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm just gonna get up. It rains down on me. All the phone calls I'm ignoring, see. I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. 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 Wanna go back in time when everything seems so clear, and when the problems we carried weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough of me.
Okay then guys, so more information for the giveaway. I'm going to draw the names on Wednesday the 16th of June on the evening, that's Australia time, so that will be the morning of the 16th in the US, for example. Yeah, so that gives you 3 days to comment. So if you could just comment in the comment section of this video whether you would prefer to have the print from video 95 or the actual original art, which is an 8x8 of video 107, which was my most recent video before this one. And then when I do the random comment selector thing on YouTube, I'll choose 2 names. The first name will get the choice of the print or the original art, and the second name obviously the other one. So it gives you 3 days to enter, so if you can write in the comment section, and please be a subscriber, and then we'll sort that on Wednesday the 16th. If I put a video out before, obviously I won't be doing the draw earlier. I'll still give you time to respond in the comment section. So yeah, I'll do the draw on the 16th. And thank you so much once again. I really am happy and really appreciative of you all. Yeah, so thank you, and please like, share and subscribe, and take care. And I'll see you soon. I'll see you on the 16th, if not before. Thank you guys.